everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do a review on this palette. This is a highlighter and blush palette from Essence, and the name is Fall Back to Nature. Well, this palette, I see a lot of people rave about it. Now let me show you how the palette looks like. The palette looks like this with the black and gold packaging, which is stunning, and this actually came out in fall last year, I think, and it contains 5 shades of highlighters along with 5 shades of blushes, and all of the colors are pretty fall vibes. It comes with this beautiful lid. You can see this lid looks like this. It's got maple leaves on it, so beautiful, and it says highlighter on top and the blush at the bottom. I know I did not throw this lid away because I just thought it's so pretty. I just want to keep it and kind of also keep my products clean every time I finish using it. So when it opens up, you can see the products inside. Yeah, here on top there are 5 shades of highlighters, and at the bottom there are 5 shades of blushes, and they're pretty much the same shades. But to be honest, owning highlighters in these crazy colorful shades might be a little tricky to use them. You know, well, we usually use highlighters that are silvery, golden, or pinky shades, but it's rare to have your highlighters in these shades though. So I just wanted to test it out. Here's a reminder. As I said, this is a very multi-functional palette. Although it says these are highlighters, these are blushes, but you can actually use them as your eyeshadows. And there's no doubt that they are all very opaque. And of course, I'm going to swatch them for you guys. So without further ado, let's do some swatches. Alright, so the first color I'm going to try in this palette is this one, the darkest one, because right now I wanted to kind of match my eye makeup. So let's try this out. Now, I'm gonna dip in this brush and definitely have to tap on the excess because this color, it looks very dark. As you can see, this is pretty pigmented, so every time I said a little more, I actually dip in very little amount. So don't get me wrong. Now, let me try to use this highlighter right here. Well, it's a highlighter topper, but I'm actually a little anxious about this because this is so dark. I can't imagine how it's gonna look like on my cheeks. Wow, let's try. I don't know if you guys can see that. It adds a bit of sheen to your skin, and it's actually beautiful even with my pale skin tone. Using this color of highlighter is actually fine. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, it definitely adds a bit of the sheen to my skin. Okay, that changed my mind on it. I thought it's going to be too dark, but it actually works. See? Now this next color I'm dipping in is this little pumpkin, this yellowish blush. And to be honest with y'all, before I really wanted to get this palette, Little Pumpkin is honestly the color that motivated me to buy this. I just thought, wow, that is a special color for a blush, because I never owned any blush that yellow, and I just thought it is like so autumn vibe, which is perfect for fall. This is awesome. I just love this color anyway. Then I'm gonna add again this golden highlighter right here. So this one, you don't really have to be light-handed because this color is pretty light. So you can just apply it like how you do with your regular highlighters anyway. Move on to the next color, Pretty for Mr. Apple. This right here. Very light-handed. Again, this is really red. I used it before. See, this color is so freaking adorable. And dip in this. If you add a little too much highlighter on the cheeks, make sure you use the clean side to kind of blend it. To make it look more even. Alright, this is the color Pretty for Mr. Apple, the red one. It's pretty good. I really like this color too. This color is so cute. Alright, 2 colors to go. Now next color, Mrs. Maple. All of the names are so cute. Okay, I'm gonna dip in this. This is a orange terracotta kind of color. I actually found that this pigmentation is a bit different from other colors in the palette. It's really weird. This one is very subtle. Move on to the highlighter. This one, yeah. Okay, I gotta be light-handed. Who knows? Yeah, this one comes out a little less pigmented than others, but it's beautiful. This highlighter is beautiful. Wow, I mean, it makes your skin look so wet looking and glowy. Look at that. Well, now this color is actually a little darker than the Little Pumpkin, but I really like this. It adds a little more red tone in it, yet too much. It's pretty much like the combination of Little Pumpkin and Pretty for Mr. Apple. Alright, on to the last shade, but not least. Say yes to maroon. Well, to be honest with y'all, this is also one of my favorite shades in this palette. when you don't want to add too much color onto your skin, this is the perfect color that gives you a bit of blush, yet too much, and it also brightens up your skin tone, promise you. I don't know, it's like grayish mauve tone blush, but it just does the trick. It does the trick for sure. Now don't mind me, I probably add a little too much, but this is a stunning color, a perfect everyday color for your blush when you don't want to be too over the top, you want to tone it down. This is the perfect color. And now I'm adding this right here. Well, I used this one before and I figured that this shade is definitely perfect for people who have darker skin tones. It might not look so well on my skin tone, but I still will try this out for you. But for this one, you really have to be very light-handed, like this one right here. If you add too much, it's gonna look like the redness. I mean, the allergic redness on your cheeks. It's gonna look weird, although it's so wet, looking so glowy, beautiful. Alright, this is the result. Alright, a quick makeup. I forgot to say something, so Pooh will help me say that. Well, this palette is not only multifunctional, as I said, it's also very affordable. So I definitely recommend you to check it out if you really like the colors in it. Again, that concludes today's video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos or you would like to see something else, some other topics, please let me know in the comments. So at the end, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.